What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so happy to be back with another video for you guys. Today's video is very different than what I usually do. I got very inspired by this campaign that Real Techniques is having. I believe it's like a runway avant-garde kind of theme. I'm guessing they're gonna have like a day-to-day pretty much inspiration and showing you how to use their brushes, being very expressive and creative with their brushes. And they actually have a hashtag called RTRunway, and they're just saying how super pigmented swatches of color transform your eyes and other areas of the face, from cheekbones to lips to brows, into a statement of confidence and personal power. You guys, when I saw this email and I saw the girl's eyes, and they literally have that right next to it, and they're just telling you what brushes they have for you to complete the look. But when I saw green on this girl's eyes, I was like, oh my god, I need to create a look. Pretty much they're saying that any eye-catching asymmetrical application of a single color expresses originality and personality. You guys, when I saw this eyeshadow look, it's just like a look, I can't even express it, but it's called a Neo Creative Expression. This is day one. This was yesterday. I automatically fell in love. The way they applied her eyeshadow, I applied it to her ears. I didn't go that far to applying it to my ears, but I did do like a messy blue smeared eyeshadow. But these two colors are from the Jaclyn palette, and I did use a brush, but I pretty much used my finger to do like the inner part. You guys, I think this is amazing. I think I'm gonna go and do every single day. As of right now, I'm on day one, but I think they're on day 3. It is absolutely amazing. I love stuff like this. I think stepping out of my comfort zone for right now is where I want to be. This is the look, and I use my brush to, like, you know, bring it out a little. Believe that makeup is art, and it doesn't always have to be perfect. As long as you're happy, it doesn't really matter what anybody else thinks. If you guys enjoyed this video, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start off with baby skin all over my face, pretty much all over the areas where my pores are very visible, and I'm just blending that in. Next, I'm going in with my Veil Hourglass primer, and as you can see, I'm just applying that to the areas where I want to prime my face, my cheeks, my nose, my forehead. Next, I'm going in with this 16-hour lasting Nars foundation that I just got. I was testing it out, and I actually really like it. I did already do my brows, and I'm just using this concealer by LA Girl in Creamy Beige just to highlight a little bit on my nose, and I'm just blending that out with a foundation brush. I really like it because it's really dense. Next, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of Shape Tape. That is in Light Sand. I was testing that out as well. I didn't really like the color, but I just used it to highlight. It was okay. Next, I'm going in with Cafe, I believe, by Nars. This is a Nars creamy concealer, and I'm just blending that out with a Morphe brush just to cream contour a little bit. And that's my forehead. Next, I will be doing my nose. I did my lip, like the area under my lip, and you just want to blend this in. I blended it into my eye, which I really liked. It did contour my eyes a little bit. Next, I'm just going in with Airspun translucent powder, and here I'm just grabbing that butter bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm just bronzing up my face. That is the Bretman brush from the Bretman collection by Morphe. And I'm just bronzing up my cheeks. That bronzer smells absolutely amazing, you guys. Next, I just chiseled out my cheeks with Airspun, and I'm just gonna contour a little bit with that color from the Sculpt and Glow BH Cosmetics palette. Next, I grab Luminoso on my Besame Cosmetics brush, and here I'm just smudging that blue onto my lid. It does not have to be perfect. This is not like a look you would wear to go out unless you're very daring like that. This is pretty much a like avant-garde and I was just inspired by the campaign that Real Techniques has going on right now. I really love the idea that this defines you as far as your originality and personality. I really love this color from the Jaclyn Hill palette. It was so intense. The picture is using green eyeshadow, but I wanted blue because I hadn't done something blue like this on my channel yet, and this color is just so vivid and bright, and it also has like sparkles on it. I love it so much. And yeah, I'm just applying it as messy as possible. I'm not trying to perfect it. I did go with my brush just because I wanted it to look a certain way, and I wanted to be a little edgy as well. Next I just grabbed my Estee Lauder KOHL eyeliner pencil. I'm applying my BADESCU facial spray. I did apply my lashes. These are by Jasmine Brown. They're called JAYBEE, and it's by the brand EYELURE. And yeah, guys, I'm just applying my AMREZY highlighter, which I'm obsessing over right now. It is absolutely amazing. She did an amazing job with this highlighter. And I went in and applied my MANEATER Metallic Liquid Lipstick by ColourPop. And that is the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this type of video. I will be completing day 2, 3, 4, and 5. So stay tuned for that. Love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching.